It's the App Marketplace App of the Week.
What is it, Craig? It's Teamwork, right?
Teamwork Workflows app. So if you use Teamwork, you've probably known they had a Teamwork App Marketplace thing for years. This isn't that. This is a brand new one called the Teamwork Workflows app. When you add this, and it's free, but you need a Teamwork. If you're using Teamwork, you'd be probably a paid user of Teamwork, but the app itself is free. Pop that in. And what it means is from a workflow, you can actually trigger an action that'll either create a task or a project in Teamwork. So let me give you a use case where we use it. Part of a deal stage is if a contact is qualified, a prospect is qualified, we trigger to create a task in Teamwork. We just have an internal project or tasks around logging time for sales activities. And then if the deal moves to closed won, we just trigger creating an entire Teamwork project, because then it gets handed over to delivery. We do delivery out of Teamwork. This is really good. It's limited. I put a review of it on the App Marketplace with some pros and cons, and I've actually listed them in the show notes as well. But definitely recommended. If you have Teamwork and you want to get that working with your workflows, this is the way to do it. Prior to this, we used to have Zapier Zaps doing this, which is kind of tedious. This has actually removed a whole bunch of Zapier malarkey for us, so I'm very happy about this.